Williams, Ray the One Williams, said, I remember watching your videos when I was getting ready to move here a few years ago. Now I'm 2 years strong and still loving the island. Okay, that's nice to hear. So, let's see, let's get the name right here. Mr. Williams, Ray, has been here 2 years, and he's still enjoying it, even though, as I always mention, I often worry that I might be looking at the island through rose-colored glasses that were formed way back in the 2000s, early 2000s, when I came here. So it's good to know that someone who has come recently, fairly recently, still finds it desirable still and doesn't regret his decision. So that's good. Thanks for that, Ray. I appreciate that. I vote you do a ride around. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. I was thinking of ways to make the island a little more exciting, make the channel a little more exciting. And the idea of a ride around with the police, it would be interesting, but I probably would not do that one. And the reason why has to do with privacy. After living here a while, I don't want to make the lifestyle and the people here a drama for people to watch on YouTube in the way that they would watch Cops, and the way they would watch 48 Hours, the first 48 hours, that sort of thing. So, and respecting the people's privacy, because people know, you know, in a big city like New York or Atlanta, people won't know who the perpetrator is. So, but even if I were to blur out the faces here, everyone would know who it is. And I wouldn't want to bring that sort of shame on anyone doing a ride around where people's faces are, or housing locations are seen. So somebody else wants to do that, you're more than welcome to start your own YouTube channel. But I don't think, I'm just off the cuff, I don't think it's something that I would do. Melinda says, yes, thank you for choosing to be mindful and careful with the info you have about Saipan. I hope you keep it that way. Yes, absolutely. One of the things that I realized when I came here, and it's still true to some degree, is that it's one of the best kept secrets on the island. And even though I'm sharing information on a public platform, it is not for everybody. But those who come here do appreciate the lifestyle. And I have found that even though there have been a few instances of people here who've come here who don't seem to fit in, to me, I think that eventually those people will spin off due to centrifugal force and find their bliss someplace else. So the lifestyle attracts a certain people, keeps a certain type of person, keeps certain people here, and others it flings off. So I think the general flavor and personality of the island will be maintained even if people come here, because we've had as many as 70,000 people here on island at one time, and we still maintain that small island, small community personality. So I don't think that's in danger, even with what I do here on the island. As I always say, it's not for everybody. Some people like it here, some people don't, and some people will leave.